Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine.
My name is Daniel Jan Gulmatko and I'm going to be your interviewer today. Here's my question for you. Question number 1. What type of lifestyle do you have at present and why did you choose this kind of lifestyle?
Ang lifestyle ko ngayon ay healthy lifestyle. Para magkaroon ka ng healthy lifestyle ay dapat mag-exercise palagi at huwag kumain ng mga junk foods. Pinili ko itong lifestyle dahil para di ka magkasakit at maging malusog ang katawan.
Question number 2. What was your turning point that made you realize to engage in physical activity and what keeps you motivated?
Para sa akin ay yung magkaroon ka ng unhealthy body, turning point na nakapag-realize sa akin sa pag-exercise para maging malusog ang katawan. Bagay na nakapag-improve sa akin ang improved health dahil ang iba dyan ay masakitin.
Question number 3. As an exercise enthusiast or regular exerciser, what will you advise to a person with no interest in engaging physical activity?
Ang advice ko lang, piliin nyo ang maging interesado sa physical activity dahil nakatutulong ito sa katawan natin. Kung feeling mo wala kang gana sa physical activity, try mo mag-walk ng 20 to 30 minutes exercise para ma-exercise ang iyong katawan.
Thank you for taking the time and answering my question. Good evening. I learned a lot for this day. For me, physical activity is a way for our body to be healthy and avoid disease, such as heart disease and others. If we don't do physical activity, our system will be weak. What I learned is that in order to our body to be healthy, we must exercise and eat vegetables and avoid eating bad foods. That's it, and thank you very much.